Hi friends, it's getting cozier and cozier here, coming closer to Christmas. Have you got all your Christmas sorted yet? Let me know in the comments, I would love to know. Yeah, today we're going to open box number 18. I wonder what we have there. So let's have a look. This feels big and heavy. Wonder what's in it. Wow. That's it. Quilt pattern for 10 squares. Fabrics. Instruction. This looks like I don't get that. It's a jigsaw puzzle. Okay, so we have a jigsaw puzzle. That's what was so heavy and big. It's 400 pieces. And we have a booklet with the pattern. Lovely. I like jigsaw puzzles. Do you? I remember, well, ages ago, I made 2,000 and 3,000 pieces. They took forever and they were huge. I stored them under our bed. It was the only place to store those huge. They were really big. Alright, righty. Let us meet tomorrow when we open box number 19. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.